everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hitesh and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we will be covering one of the frequently asked Android interview question related to Kotlin, that is what is JvmField Annotation. So this video is part of my ongoing series on Android interview questions and answers, and you can find the link, you can find the playlist in the description below. So without further ado, let's dive into the explanation. Before we start, about the JVM field annotation, let's discuss something about Kotlin. So the best thing about Kotlin is it is designed to support the interoperability. That means the existing Java code can be called from Kotlin and the Kotlin code can be called from Java. It is vice versa. So both ways are supported. Now let us understand this more clearly with an example. Assuming that we have a data class, my session, with couple of parameters, name and date. So name is a string type and date I've already passed the default parameter for date as date. And now we are trying to call in one of the function of Kotlin class while we are creating the session object equals to my session, and name I'm passing something and I'm passing date as same parameter, the by default. So if I want to access the name, I am going to make use of the session object and I'll do dot name, or maybe I can do session dot date. So that is how I will access the the parameters of the data class using the get method. And that is very much by default, that's how you access things in Kotlin. But how this will work in Java? So let's see the example. My session equals my session. This is a new object that we are creating for my session class, and we are passing two parameters, some text and then the date. And then if I try to do like session.name, it will give me the compile error, which was fine in case of Kotlin, but it is failing in Java. So to access the name object or name parameter of my session class, I have to make use of get name, session.getName. But the question arises here is, can we call this function without using get or dot set like how we did in Kotlin? Yes, that is correct. We can do it by making use of @JvmField annotation. So how we'll do it? We'll pass the JvmField annotation inside the parameter constructor of my session class, and then we go back to the Java class, we create the object again, we pass the information like text and date, and then now if we want to access name, we'll do session.name. So if you see here, I don't have to make use of session.getName. Instead, it will work similar to how it was working in Kotlin. So that's the advantage of using JvmField. It allows you to access the Kotlin code in Java in the similar fashion how you do in Kotlin itself. And so this is the verdict. We know what is JvmField annotation and when to use it. So guys, I've also posted one of the video on JVM static annotation on YouTube. You can go through it and you can see how that annotation works around. So that's all for today. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific questions or topics that you would want me to cover in the future videos, feel free to drop a suggestion in the comments. I would be more than happy to create more content for you. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.